Hello everyone, this is Umair Hassan and you are watching CSSGSA lecture series. Today we are going to discuss a question from your past paper, and that is regarding area. Last lecture was about concept of area of two-dimensional shapes. In this lecture I will continue the same concept but with the solution of your past paper. So the question is that a farmer needs to build a boundary wall around his farm. There is a farm like this, and the farmer needs to build a boundary wall around it. And you know what kind of boundary wall it can be, like this. This is one side of boundary wall. This may be the second side of boundary wall. Then this one is the third side of boundary wall, and here comes the fourth side. So this is first side, second side, third side, fourth side, and this is a farm. Now what is given about this farm is that area is 484. The area of this farm is 484 meters square. This shape, the one you can see at the base, its area is 484. What will be the total area of the walls, all these, if it is 2 meter high? 2 meter high on three sides mean this side is 2 meter high, this side, back side is 2 meter high, and this side, suppose they are 2 meter high. So I am writing 2 meter over here, mean this wall is 2 meter high, then this back wall is also 2 meter high. Let me make it a bit better one, like this. So this back wall is 2 meter high, and this wall, okay, so this is 2 meter high. Similarly this wall is 2 meter high, this one, while this front wall, well, this is the fourth one and it is 3 meter high. So I'm just extending it 1 meter more as told. So this height is 3 meter. This one is 3 meter. This is the scenario given over here. A farm with 4 walls, 3 walls 2 meter high, and front wall I have supposed that it is 3 meter high. 2 meter, 2 meter, 2 meter and 3 meter, while area of farm is 484. Now you need to find the area of the walls. You need to find area of this wall, area of this back wall, area of this side wall, and area of this front wall. This is A3, this is A4. Now area of this, the walls are of rectangular shape. Walls are of rectangular shape. So the area is length into breadth. Now you know, or in this case area is base into height. For example, area 1, this wall has this base, this one, and height is 2 meter. So for A1, this wall, area is base into height of wall is 2. The problem here is that I don't know about the base. So first of all you need to work on the base, which is of this shape. They haven't told us, but they have told us that its area is 484 meters square, this base. Now you can find the dimensions of this base by taking the square root of 484, or maybe you can do prime factorization. Let us do prime factorization. 2 times 4 to 4 times 8 to 2 times 4 to 1 times 2 to 2 times 4 to 1 times 2. 11 times 121, 11 1 times 11. These are prime factors, as I have explained in one of my lectures in the lecture series. So you can write under root 484 as 2 into 2, 2 square, 11 into 11, 11 square. 2 into 2, 2 square, 11 into 11, 11 square, and the fact known is that square and square roots cancel each other. It will be 2 into 11. Square root and squares cancelled, 2 into 11. Now 2 into 11 is basically this side 11 in 22, sorry, that is 22. 11 into 2 is 22. Now what does this mean? Well, this means that if you take square root of 484, it will be 22. Well, that means this side is 22 and this side is 22. How? Because 22 multiplied by 22 will give you 484. In short, 484 was 22 square. 11 square into 2 square is 22 square. So 22 square root cancel, your answer is 22. So this side is 22, this side is 22. This is one of the case. There may be another case. I can say that 11 into 11 is 121 and 2 into 2 is 4. Then I can say that its length is 121, 11 into 11 is 121 and width is 4. That becomes 484. This is one of the case. The second case is it is a square form, area is 484, one side is 22, the second one is also 22. 22 into 22 will give you 484. This is the second case. So you can choose your dimension. They haven't told us in the question that it is a square form or rectangular form. Anyhow, if I take this one as the base, then all these lengths are 22. 22, 22, 22, 22. The base lengths are 22. Now you can find area of walls. A1 is area of this wall. This one, base is 22, height is 2, that is 44 meters square. A2 is area of this back wall. Base is 22, height is 2, 44 meters square. A3 is area of this wall, side wall number 3. This one, first one, second, third. The base is 22 as it is of rectangular shape. Height is 2. Base is 22, height is 2. That is 44 meters square. And this one, front wall A4 has the area, base is 22, height is 3. That is 66 meters square. The total area of the wall will be adding A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4, 44 plus 44 plus 44 plus 66. Well, that becomes 44 into 3 times plus 66, 198. 198 meter square is the area of the walls of this form. If you consider that your form is square, by taking square root of 484, you will get one of the dimensions of this form. Other dimension can be 22 as well. 22 into 22 is 484, the area. And the second possibility is its one side is 121, other side is 4. Now the form is rectangular. I have solved this question by considering that the form is square. So you have to write in your paper that consider that the form is square, and then you can calculate the area of the walls by applying the formula for rectangle. So this is how you are going to apply the questions of area. This is a question from your real life. So keep watching. Thank you so much.